Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing an open cup with, this is the iridescent white from Amsterdam Specialties, phthalo blue, cerulean blue, we have some onyx black, and then just a tiny amount of titanium white, and that will come into play here in a minute. We're going to be doing an open cup. All the paints are mixed, 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. So this white, I'm just going to take and make a small puddle on the base. Just use that little tiny bit of white we have. And then, I've never tried this before, so I'm going to bury it in black. Now there is oil, the OGX coconut milk hair serum, in these paints, with the exception of the white. And with that, let's go. I'm really curious to see if it creates some really cool blending of the white against the black. So a little bit of phthalo blue in there. And since that is a dark, the cerulean is plenty to offer contrast. And then some of this really cool iridescent white. I don't remember the name of the paint off the top of my head, but if somebody else does, just let me know in the comments. I mixed it up yesterday. I just don't remember the name of it. Now that could have been a mistake on my part, putting that black and phthalo blue on top of each other, because it's not going to create too much contrast there. Those colors do mix fine together. There's nothing wrong with them. Just. Ooh. And now we'll just top it off with a tiny bit of black. Then release the paint. That's crazy how much white is covering that surface. But hopefully that'll give us some really interesting cell effects. How's everybody doing this glorious day? I hope you guys are doing amazing. So, it was actually in the 30s in Phoenix today. It was actually warmer in Detroit, which I don't understand how that's even possible, but I guess it is. That pearl white is amazing. We only used white at the base, so everywhere it looks white, it's actually really metallic and shiny. I think that is the cell that I was talking about that almost looked like it was boiling. So cool.